Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without the command prompt. This is a very easy way of doing it. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go into Windows Search and type out language settings or language. And we're going to see what language we have on the computer. And it's English United States. Okay, that's the one I have. You have to make sure you know your language so you can match it up with the ISO that we're going to download. Okay. Then we're going to open up a browser. And we're going to type Windows 11 download. Okay. We're going to click on it. And then right up here it says Microsoft, Microsoft.com. Okay, click on that. And we're going to go scroll way down. To select the download. Okay, we're going to select. Okay. We're going to select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for 64-bit devices. I'm going to click on that. Okay. Then we're going to click Confirm. Then we're going to choose the language. Okay, I'm going to choose the language that we just checked. English United States for me. Could be different for you. Then we're going to confirm. Okay, 64-bit download. Okay, so we're going to click and we're going to download. And over here, up here, this is where it indicates your download. Okay, if I click on that, it says, okay, we're downloading Windows 11 25H2 English 64 ISO. Okay, and it tells you the progress. Okay, you got to make sure that that finishes right up. It also shows you this blue area here, this little blue line. Okay, wait till that finishes. Okay, now we're going to go to File Explorer. You're going to go to your downloads or where you put your ISO. Okay. What we're going to do is drag it to the desktop. Then we're going to right click on the ISO. We're going to click Mount. And then we're going to click Open. And now over here, this is the tricky part. This is a right click and drag to the desktop. Right click. Okay, make sure you do it that way. Okay. Now click on over here, create shortcuts here. Okay, we got it. We're going to right click We're going to click on Properties. Okay, and over here where it says Target, okay, this is important. Where it says Target, we're going to put quotation marks at the front and quotation marks at the back of it. And then we're going to space and we're going to type product key. Quotation marks at the front, quotation marks after it, after the exe, and then it's space, and then front slash product key. Okay, you have to do that the right way or else it won't work. Okay, and then you click OK. Okay, and then we can get rid of this here. And then we're going to double click on the shortcut. Okay, and then you're going to get a window. Just click yes to it. Okay, we're starting the install now. Okay, change how setup downloads updates. Okay, click that. And we don't want to do the updates now, so I'm gonna click not right now. Okay, then I'm gonna click next. Just getting a few things ready. Okay, and then over here, this is the license terms. I'm going to click accept. Okay, now if you want to keep your files, we have an option here to keep your files, keep personal files only or nothing. Okay, the whole thing about this is that you can keep your files, so I'm keeping my files. Next. Just making sure your PC has enough space. Make sure you have at least 30 to 40 gigabytes. Okay, install Windows Home, which is what I'm doing. Yours may be Pro. And then you're going to click install, and we're on our way. Your installation is now on its way, and it won't be long. You'll be into Windows 11. This will take a few minutes. It just depends on your internet speed. So let it follow right through. Let it finish. Welcome to Windows 11. Your installation is now complete. You have 10 days to try it out, and if you don't like it, you can still go back to Windows 10. You type recovery options, and there you will have an option to go back. Also, if you want to move the taskbar settings, okay, you right click on the taskbar, and then you come down to taskbar behaviors, and you could change it from the center to the left side if you want. Okay, I'll do that. And that's that. You could change your wallpaper, do whatever you want. Everything is as it used to be. Before your installation, your settings and everything should be intact. Anyways, let me know in the comments section if everything went well for you, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.